Music for this channel is brought to you by Gus Gus. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Vector W8 Garage. I'm going to be doing some maintenance on the car today. This time it's interior maintenance, so we'll get a little time-lapse excitement here. Doing conditioning of all the leather that's in the interior. All the leather that's in the interior are Connelly hides. And so for this project, we always use Connelly Hide Food, which is an excellent way to condition and maintain your leather products. Best stuff in the world to use. So I use it on all my cars, but the Vector in particular started the whole Connelly Hide Food ordeal. And so we're going to do that today and make sure everything's in good shape and conditioned and ready to go for the summer. So hope you enjoy the episode. So that completes phase one of Operation Conditioned Leather. So what we'll do now is typically give the car 45 minutes to an hour to absorb all the Connelly Hide Food. When you do this, you make sure you knead the leather as you're going through it. I found the best way to do it is just put the stuff on your hands directly and then go right through and apply it directly to the leather in the car. Other methods are to try and use some sort of a cloth to apply it with, but typically that ends up as a real mess, and then the cloth ends up garbage anyhow, and you get it all over your hands anyway, so it just seems to be much faster and much easier to do it if you just apply it directly with your hands, get it all done, and then, like I say, wait for about 45 minutes to an hour. So we'll let the car do that, and then we'll come back and do phase 2, which is removing any excess material and cleaning it all up with a microfiber cloth to make sure that it's all removed and there's no residue left around the interior of the car. And so that is next. Alright, so there it is. It takes the better part of a whole night to do that. It's not a very quick and easy task to take on, but the leather in that car is 30 years old, and it looks like it did the day it rolled off the factory floor. So proper maintenance with leather, you can make it last a very, very long time. Leather dries out in any vehicle. It doesn't matter which vehicle you got. This vehicle is no exception to the rule. Even if you weren't to take this out in the sunlight for 30 years, you still got to condition the leather. You still got to maintain it properly. You still got to make sure that it's being moisturized properly, and it'll last you a lifetime. So we're done with that. One more task out of the way for the season, and always nice to get it done because it's a big one to do. You break a bit of a sweat rubbing on that car for several hours, but we got that all over with, and I'm happy it's ready to go for the season. Appreciate you guys checking this out. As usual, I want to thank all of my subscribers, certainly everybody for tuning in. It's really nice to have you all here. If you wouldn't mind hitting the like, subscribe, and share buttons, it helps us out tremendously. The more likes I get, the better off we are out here. So need your help there. So please hit the like button and the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing to do it. Just if you do it, really appreciate it. So we'll see you next time.